In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer ownership of a file in Google Drive. So I'm going to transfer this example file, which is a JPEG file, to another account, and I'll show you the exact process and how you can do that. So what you need to do is go to New in the top left-hand corner, then click File Upload, and then upload your file. Once you've got it inside a Google Drive, you want to right-click on it, then go to Share and click Share again. Then you need to invite that person that you want to transfer the file ownership to. So I'm going to enter in their email address here. So I'm just entering in another email address that I own. We're going to click on that. Now I'm going to make this person an editor as it gives them the highest permissions. You can then click send, and that will then send that person an invite. Okay, so here is the email that the person will receive, and it's going to say that somebody shared an item with them, and they can then click open, and that will then open in their Google Drive. So now they should be able to see and interact with this file. So once they have gained access to that file, if you refresh on your Google Drive, you right click again and then go to share, you should then see them, and here you can see now they are as an editor. Now all you need to do from here is you need to go to that person, you need to click on the editor or the drop down icon, then click transfer ownership, and then you need to click send invitation, and you'll stay the owner until that person accepts ownership. So there we go, the invitation has been sent. That person will then get a new email which says that somebody invited them to own an item. So we are an editor until we accept ownership. So that person will just then have to click accept. And then once they do that, they should then be the owner of that file. So let's go back to my drive here. Let's refresh. And now if we go ahead and click share and share again, you can see the person we invited, which is Contact Click Relay, is now the new owner, and we have been downgraded to an editor. Now this person who's now the new owner could remove you, but that's how you would make someone a new owner and transfer ownership in Google Drive.